Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. For this DIY, you will need one rectangular slatted plastic basket, and you can also get those skinny baskets that is in coordinating color. They sometimes come in 3 or 4 in a pack. You will also need 6 pieces of removable adhesive hooks, and these are the small ones. They come 9 in a pack. I also got them at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be attaching the hooks, and from the hooks I'm going to be hanging these skinny baskets. I'm just testing out or trying out the distances of each basket, so if I have enough clearance between each of them. And then I'm going to be placing the adhesive hooks one on each end so that the skinny baskets can hang using the slots one on each end. I'm doing this because I want that each basket is removable, because this is going to be another craft organizer. So I want to be able to lift a basket if I want to carry it anywhere. I don't have to lift the whole thing. This is going to be hanging over the door. If you do not want the baskets to be removable or detachable, you can secure each end with zip ties. Just use the slots from the skinny basket and attach a zip tie on each end and align them to the slots of the bigger basket. And if you also want to make those hooks be more permanent and not removable, because you want to make sure that they adhere securely, especially if you're going to put something heavy in them, you can secure them with E6000 or with any commercial grade or industrial grade glue. So I'm using this for mini stamps and stamp pads, as well as for the colored pens. And then I'm also using this thin dowel rod, and I am also placing different styles or designs of washi tapes, and I'm going to be placing that at the very bottom, and then I'll be using each slat at the bottom to be able to kind of use that as a dispenser, or even the sharp edge of the slot can cut the washi tapes, because washis are thin and they're easy to cut. I've added or secured each end with binder clips to ensure that they don't unravel or dislodge. I'm also using this ribbon to use as a hanger, but you can put picture hooks as well, or hanging hardware. I'm using this adhesive command hook or wall hook or picture hook, and that's where I'm hanging this organizer. And this wall organizer is done. I really like this a lot. I have enough space or clearance for me to reach out for things in each basket, and then I can remove each tray or basket so that I can bring it to where I'm working in case I just need only those items in those baskets. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!